Good morning. We got 1 minute to open, and I am looking for a long, that 5 minute long. Swept this low in a gap. Okay, there's the open. We did sweep. We did sweep Asia high and low during the London session. That's usually indicative of a high resistance day. Okay. VIX is hourly here. There's our first fair value gap. Okay, we came up into that 5-minute area, rejected. Looks like we're not going to make that fair value gap. Okay, so we're in this on a 3-minute. Looking for a 5-minute close above. We're delivering out of this gap right here, that low. I entered, increased my position right here on this closure on the 3-minute. I entered on the 3-minute. This right here, nice momentum. On the 5-minute, increased that. I added to my position. We have LR. We should push all the way to London. Okay, I'm all out right there. That is my play for the day. So I got all out here because I had such a bad day yesterday. I took 2 losses yesterday. But looking at this, we could have held probably for like 24, 8, 10. We are getting back. So Apex's site is still down. We had that clear cloud flare yesterday issue, and it's still causing problems today. Nice trade there. It's kind of nice to when you can get in and out before 10 o'clock. Be done before 10 o'clock. Go live your life. Go touch some grass. No red, all green. Trying to open some up here. So one and done. Let's go over that really quick. We were looking for longs today, and if we look at this pre-market, we came in and pre-market came down and it took out this liquidity here. There was a higher time frame inverse, so there's a 1 hour. See, we inverted this 1 hour fair value gap this morning earlier, so that leads us to be bullish. So I came in bullish. So let's go to the 3 minute. So open. Open was right there, and on open we'd already taken out this liquidity right here. We came down, we got this big candle back up on the 3 minute, inverted this fair value gap right here. So I entered I got in about here at 5 minute. We entered it. Then after 5 minutes we inverted this one. I got in, added 3 more, and I rode those. So my cumulative position was 373, I believe, but we rode it to here. I did not hold a runner. Looking at this makes me wish I would have. Probably going to go at least to 810. But like I said, I took 2 losses yesterday, so this pretty much makes up for my 2 losses from yesterday. And the other thing with Apex, I just got to keep it around $700 total, because if I go too much, it makes it harder to get a payout. So one of the downsides of Apex is the 30% consistency rule. So I am locked out until the PM session. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to go I have locked myself out of this account right here That's my main account. I've locked myself out of that until tomorrow. We do have FOMC today, but they pretty much said it's not going to be anything. Okay, there's that 810. There's 834. Probably going to 859. Wouldn't surprise me if we went all the way up here. I would say probably $25,000. Still trying to get on Apex. It's a battle this morning. Tomorrow we have 8:30 news. So a lot of 8:30 news and some 10 o'clock news. So tomorrow, or till PM session, I may come in and trade 56.61, one of these accounts. Going to hit that buy side here really quick. This will probably be the final TP. That was a banger trade. There it goes. There's 859. We are in the micro. We are in the macro. 950 to 1010. We are about to hit the 10 o'clock hour. Wouldn't surprise to see you get a 10 o'clock reversal. So if we look at the 15-minute here, we did have a 15-minute zone here. So we have a 15-minute zone. Fifteen-minute zone right there. Fifteen-minute zone. We came in, we rejected, we came up here, and then we closed above it right here. And we did that around 4:45 this morning. And so then we came back. Now we're looking at this for support. And if you look at this, this. We came down and we could not close above the 50% of that gap. See that? It found support. And so then when we opened up at 9:30, it did come down, but we're looking for this 15-minute zone to provide support. And that's exactly what it did. And we entered again on the 3, added on the 5, and that gave us our trade. Yeah, I'm looking at this going, why didn't I hold? I think we're going to 25,000. There's our 10 o'clock. Well, there's not much more to do here today. We're just continuing to go up. Again, I think we're going up to 25,000. You look at the 1 hour. Oh, the reason for that, I think we're going the 1 hour, we have a 4 hour gap and a 1 hour gap here. So I think it's logical to see it want to go to here. I would say that's at least the target, but we're so close to 25 because it's an even number, it carries significance, that we are going to at least go up to 25. So if I were to see, look at this trade so far, look at that, is almost a 250 point trade. Pretty confident of this target right here. Pretty confident of that target there. Again, because of Apex. Still going up. Bingo, bango, bongo. I think we are done for the day. We are done for the day, everybody. I appreciate you checking in. If you watch this, please like this video. Subscribe, please. It is appreciated. It's greatly appreciated. You will only find, you go back to my early videos from years, maybe a year and a half ago, and I kind of sucked. And it's been a slow road, but I'm getting there. And yesterday was a total loss. I shouldn't say a total loss. I didn't blow up, but I did took some significant losses, and that was tough. But it's always nice to come back, and it's nice to see that after yesterday. We're gonna go here. Okay, that being said, I appreciate every one of you guys. And remember, there's no bad trades, only bad behavior. We all have bad behavior from time to time. There's, don't beat yourself up for having a bad day, because we all have bad days. It's tough, I know. Believe me, you're talking to the guy that knows what. See, previous day high. We're about to hit this. Could have re-entered here. This would have been a breaker block entry. So there's a breaker block, and we enter on this when we come back down into it. You see how okay, here we go, guys. Be blessed. We'll talk to you later. We appreciate you. Until tomorrow. I will be on PM today. I take that back. I may not. I've got some stuff, some commitments, so I don't know if I can get to that. But